kong pinaghihintay ang isang bathaluman, paabot ng asukal para medyo espesyal. Gusto kong matamis tulad ng ngiti ni mahal. Ngayon all goods na, sakto yung dala kong pera. Pag-ibig ang inabot ng aking 50. Minsan talaga sasang-ayon ang tadhana. Hatid na kita, sana ay maulit pa. Tara kapit tayo, treat ko 3-in-1 no puro. Samahan mo ako dun lang sa may kanto. Kapit tayo, treat ko, bet mo ba may puto? Ano kung gusto mo? Tara kapit tayo, treat ko 3-in-1 no puro. Samahan mo ako dun lang sa may kanto. Kapit tayo, treat ko, bet mo ba may puto? Ano kung gusto mo?
Guys coming here. I met couple. Nice. My friend, you know what's together with the sea? Yeah. You've been there? You've been? What's together? There is a little salty and sweet. And there is salty and little sweet. You know?
In Tagalog word is tapsing.
Tapsing. Tap. Yeah. This is spring. And the
Fresh water.
sea meeting with the spring. Tapsing. Tab. Yeah, tab. Tapsing. Yeah. Somebody told me. You've been? I don't know where what, 10 kilometers, 5 kilometers?
Paano hindi mo lagi kayo maglagay ganyan, no? Straight yung
Like 7 kilometers. And when you board signs, you know, not to know. You have to know it.
ganyan, no?
You see many cars, many
Wala, kung
bikes.
nalagyan din ako.
You see in the Google Map. You use Google Map. Yeah. You use Google Map.
Bigger than this.
Yeah.
Hindi, no?
I must see it. Also mixing tab.
Nakikita ko pa.
Yeah, I have a wound. They coming all the time. All the time they come to fish in here because I cut. They like the cut, you know. They like the white skin when it's getting dry.
Yeah.
There is type of fish. They clean your this to clean this white, you know. You know this type of fish? Small ones. They can eat. No piranha, eh? It's just a. It's just for many cool, pretty cool fish.